So Jerry, this seems to be a similar scene to the last time we played at Shooters before Christmas.
I swear to God, they follow me everywhere I go.
Man, this is some bullshit. Straight the fuck up. This is bullshit.
Yeah, only twice.
So this same scene.
The same, identical.
Yeah.
Remember, but the roads were a little more.
Except we're missing a little red sports car parked right there.
That's right.
Yeah.
Because I didn't drive myself.
And we
That's
had to
right.
drive, what was it, 20 miles an hour?
Yeah, and I promise this video is being made on the, well, it's the 1st of March now, isn't it?
Yeah.
And we were last here on the yeah.
New Year's Eve tonight.
We were last here in December, and it was snowing just like this. I can't believe it.
I don't know, I think technically it was January then.
This is unreal.
Oh well.
How does
Oh,
it
you're
know
right.
where we're at?
It was the end of the year. It was New Year's Eve.
Yeah.
So I don't know. It would be
I'm starting to fall
interesting.
in love with my astronomy
It would be an
stuff.
interesting test to see if we come here in the summer and the same thing happens.
Yeah.
If it does,
Where are you? We're in trouble.
Yeah, somehow I wouldn't be surprised.
It's Idaho.
Somehow I wouldn't be surprised. Well, this is Country Drive in another snowstorm signing off.
Bye.